How to fix Roblox error code 279-2023. Hi guys, so in this video, I'll teach you how to fix Roblox error code 279-2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So the first thing you need to do is just click on Windows plus R button and then head over to your temp, which is right here, and then locate the Roblox right there and then just delete it. Now after you have deleted the temp of Roblox, what you need to do next is to just head over to your browser. So let's head over to my browser. And then from in here, just click on these three dots, click on the settings, and then click on privacy and security. And then from in there, just click on clear browsing data, and then just choose this cache image and files, click on clear data, and that should be able to clear data of your browser, which will also include the Roblox. Next thing you need to do is to head over to your control panel and then head over to your programs in feature. So in there you can see the Roblox player for users. So just click on it and then uninstall it. Now after you have uninstalled it, just head over to roblox.com/download and then download the latest update of Roblox. And then after you have downloaded it, just install it. Then the next thing you need to do is to just head over to your home screen. Then right click on the Roblox player, click on properties, then click on compatibility and make sure that you can run this program as an administrator, and then click on apply right here and click on OK. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to fix Roblox error code 279-2023. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.